Top 7 superfoods that boost health and reverse aging after 40. Want to feel energized, look younger, and stay vibrant after 40? These superfoods don't just nourish you, they help reverse aging from the inside out by supporting your skin, your brain, your gut, and even your hormones. Welcome back to all our amazing subscribers, and a warm welcome to everyone discovering us for the first time here at Repair Our Health, your sanctuary for natural beauty, vibrant health, and powerful transformations. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly health revivals. Number 1. Blueberries. Tiny but powerful. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which improve neural signaling and may delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years, according to studies from Harvard. They also support collagen protection and reduce UV skin damage, which means they protect both your memory and your skin's glow. Number 2. Avocados. Rich in monounsaturated fats, they keep skin cells plump and elastic. They're also high in glutathione, a master antioxidant that helps detoxify the body and brighten the skin. 1 avocado a day can reduce skin inflammation and support hormonal balance. 2 hidden triggers of premature aging. Number 3. Moringa. This miracle leaf has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It contains powerful compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which lower inflammation and blood sugar, 2 key factors in aging. Its dense antioxidant profile fights oxidative stress at the cellular level, helping you maintain youthful skin, clear eyes, and healthy circulation. Number 4. Wild-caught salmon. A top source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support both your skin's lipid barrier and your brain's function. Omega-3 also slow telomere shortening, which is directly linked to slower aging. Plus, salmon delivers astaxanthin, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce fine lines and wrinkles after consistent intake. Number 5. Pomegranate. This fruit contains punicalagins and ellagic acid, which are shown to protect collagen from breaking down. In 1 clinical study, pomegranate extract increased skin thickness and hydration, 2 signs of youthful skin. It's also excellent for blood flow, giving you that natural rosy glow. Number 6. Fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut are full of probiotics that strengthen the gut lining and improve nutrient absorption. Your gut is connected to your immune system, hormones, and even your skin. Balanced gut flora reduces inflammation and can visibly reduce acne, dullness, and puffiness. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Packed with zinc for skin repair and magnesium for sleep and energy, these seeds also support testosterone and estrogen regulation, essential for aging gracefully. Just 1 tablespoon offers a mini multi-mineral boost that supports hair growth, bone density, and even mental clarity. Start your morning with warm lemon water. It kickstarts digestion, boosts bile production, helps cleanse the liver, and supports collagen synthesis thanks to its vitamin C content. It also sets the tone for better hydration, which is one of the most overlooked anti-aging secrets. Here's how to make it doable. Add blueberries to oatmeal. Use avocado instead of mayo. Stir moringa into tea or a smoothie. Grill salmon once or twice a week. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on salads. Enjoy a spoonful of fermented veggies daily. And drink lemon water every morning. Your age-defying super squad: blueberries, brain and skin protection. Avocados, collagen plus healthy fats. Moringa, immune and cellular repair. Wild salmon, elasticity and brain power. Pomegranate, collagen and circulation. Fermented foods, gut plus glow. Pumpkin seeds, hormones and minerals. And don't forget your bonus ally, lemon water. These aren't just trendy foods, they're backed by real data. They reduce inflammatory markers, lower oxidative damage, repair the gut-skin-brain connection, and support long-term vitality through natural nutrient synergy. Every food choice you make is an investment in your future self. Start small, stay consistent, and glow from within. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult with a qualified health professional before changing your diet or routine. Like this video if it gave you something new to try. Subscribe to Repair Our Health for weekly natural health solutions. And tell us, which of these superfoods are you excited to try first?